Lord Jesus, you're with me, my constant guide. Your favor surrounds me, forever by my side. No fear of the voices that speak of despair. Your grace overwhelms me, I rest in your care.
I trust in your presence, forever secure. Your mercy unchanged,
your mercy unchanged.
Your promise is sure. In all of my plans, my steps you direct. With wisdom and favor,
my path
you protect.
Father, you're faithful through joy and through pain. Your blessings are pouring
like showers of rain.
I'm never forsaken. You're close by my side. In every assignment, you're my faithful God. Trust in your presence,
Forever secure. Your mercy unchanged.
Your mercy unchanged.
Your promise is sure.
Your promise is sure.
In all of my plans, my steps you direct.
With wisdom and favor,
my path you protect. Wherever I stand, your light leads the way.
your strength is my portion. My peace every day.
I walk without worry.
Your truth sets me free.
Forever and always.
You're all that I need.
You're all that I need.
You're all that I need.
All that I need. I trust in your presence.
I trust in your presence.
Forever secure.
You're secure.
Your mercy unchanged.
Your promise is sure.
In all is assured.
Your promise is sure.
In all of my planning, my steps you direct.
With wisdom and favor.
With wisdom and faith, my path you protect.
With wisdom and favor, my path you protect.
Hit that subscribe button for more Grace videos just like this one.